So my name is Gaurav Patidar, 20AG30014, Section 8. This is my DIY project week 4, in which I have to use an example from the Proteus software so that I can blink the LED according to the following temperature and humidity conditions. So for this, initially in the void setup, I have provided the pin 13 as the output. Then in the void loop, we have the delay option which delays the loop every time by 2 seconds. Now, then we go to the float option. We have used the variables such as H, T, F, and HI, which is represents humidity, temperature, and heat index. Then we have the serial print option down, which print the values of the humidity, temperature, and heat index. Then we have the else and if option, which is according to the question. As if the T is less than 15 and H is the less than 25, then the 13 will be high, means it will blink, then delayed with 1 second. After that, if the conditions are not proper, it will be 13 low and LED will not blink. So this is as a demo. If we want to see, then we need to go to the schematic diagram. So let's go. We can see the setup here. This is all the setup. Here is the terminal in which we see the LED. Here is the temperature board where we give the values and all, and this is the LED bulb which need to glow, and this is connected to the pin B. Now here we will put the values. Now if we go to the edit values and let humidity is less than 25 and temperature is less than 15, so what will happen? So if we do like that, then and run the program, and now we will going to run program and can see that the LED bulb glows for 1 second and then it is off. So let's see. uh, so this we go to the run the program, and then LED bulb glows for the 1 second and then it is off. And now we will stop the program and we'll change the values. Okay, if we go to our prop our handling option, so and the fourth option, the T is equals to greater than 20, that means 30, and similarly humidity is greater than 60, that means 65. So then what will happen? So then we can see the LED bulb will blink. So let it run, then it will blink, then we will see for next 2 seconds as we given the input, then it will be off for the next 2 seconds as the given in the input. So now let's move to the next project in which I have to generate a continuous wave at a digital pin 13. So let's in which again we have to take example of from the Proteus. So this is a digital pin. So for this we choose the pin mode 13 output. In the below code for the first in the first part wave, second part of wave, and the third part of wave. Now we will go to the systematic diagram. This is the systematic diagram, and then we connected the wire D to the pin 13. Okay. After that, we will run the program. So in running the program, we have to show that the we have to show in the oscilloscope. For that, we will go to the debug option, and this and then we will choose the digital oscilloscope here. I have already turned to DC, and here I have already done to DC and 200 millisecond. For that we can see it better way. The time period is 8.25 second as mentioned in the question.